hereby issued a strike. This is your third and final strike. Erica.
Yes, big brother.
You are immediately disqualified from the Big Brother house.
Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Erica disqualified from lockdown house. Big Brother Naija housemate Erica has been disqualified from the lockdown house for breaking the house rules. Erica was found guilty of repeatedly breaking the rules of the house set by Big Brother. Recall, Erica caused drama on Saturday night and broke several house rules, which gained her a third strike and disqualification. Biggie played the video on Sunday night and highlighted all the rules she broke due to her tantrums last night. Your actions demonstrated disrespect for Biggie's house rule despite the responsibility as head of house to lead by example, Biggie said. Biggie queried her for pouring water on the bed and denying Prince access to the head of house lounge. She was also queried for peeping through the camera window and trying to engage with the production team, which is against the house rule. Erica, who is the head of house, also threatened to kill a fellow housemate, Lecon, outside the house. Erica, who has 2 strikes, already used the word vote while discussing with Kidwaya, which is also against the house rules. Guys, what do you think of this Erica's eviction from the lockdown house? Please let me know your comments in the section below. And also, if this is your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.